Hi, I'm Reese Weeder with the Innovation Center's Drone Performance team. We're currently setting up for the Ocean's First event tonight, and we couldn't be happier to share this experience with you. From our design animators to our drone pilots, we have many positions involved in putting 300 drones in the sky. What we do here is definitely unique and is easily one of the most memorable parts of the Innovation Center. So you might as well sit back and relax because it's just about time for liftoff.